mulch you're looking to use straw as mulch for next year. I have heard concerns about straw being sprayed with herbicides that can harm my garden. Is there any truth to this? You'd have to find out from the farmer or the garden center. There are some straw manufacturers online in which you can purchase, or you can go to big box stores and get it. Growing up at the farm, we never sprayed our wheat. There's straw, there's barley wheat, oat wheat, or barley straw, oat straw, wheat straw. There's some other varieties in there. We never sprayed any of that growing up, so there would not be a problem. Now there's a distinct difference between straw and hay. Hay is the grass is grown for animal consumption. That is typically sprayed with a chemical to kill the broadleaf plants. So it is only the grasses or the clover that is being harvested and baled up and fed.
Is it common for farmers to spray for their what ends up being straw?
I don't know. I don't know exactly, but I wouldn't put it past, because sometimes these farmers are looking at ways to increase the yield of the crop, and by spraying a chemical in order to help kill weeds that may be in the field to get away from taking away the nutrients. It could be that as well. But ask around. Typically, your best source is going to a farmer and going, "Hey, I'm looking to buy X amount of straw bales. One, do you sell those? And two, have you sprayed anything on it? Because I'm using it for vegetable gardening, and I don't want anything leaching into the garden."
Right.